Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. On today's episode, we're working on a 2014 Honda Civic. This is the key here. The customer provided the keys, so we're charging them for cutting and programming. So that's what we're doing today. So we're going to go ahead and replicate the original key. It has a cut there. It's on line number 3. We're going to go to universal key duplication. We're going to go to number 4. Well, 4 track external. Tip align. Third align, decode. So as you can see there, the X-Horse is going to get the probe and trace the key. And then after, we're going to place the new keys and then cut them with this side. So if you can see there, we put the new key on line number 3 and we're about to get it cut. Okay, so we're working with the XTOOL D7 today. We do have the original key on the on position. So we're going to hit key functions, well, special functions first. Then we're going to go to the key emo, agree. Then we're going to search Honda. Now you might say, why do I use this X tool? I do have multiple tools. I do have the Autel. I do have X-Horse. I do have everything. I use the X tool for particular cars for like Honda, Ford, and GM. This tool just tends to work the first time. So there we go. We're communicating. Then it's a bladed key. So if it's a 2022 or later model, you need to connect the device to the network. Please turn the ignition switch on. That's what we did. So it's detecting what type of immobilizer system it has. There we go. We're in. Now we're going to hit the key. Now we're just going to add keys. If we had no keys, we would do all keys lost, but we're just adding keys. All right, so we're going to hit the add key function. Turn on the ignition switch with the original key. That's what we have there. Now we do have 2 keys that we cut. These are brand new. We're going to go ahead and put them in the system. Communication failed. Let's go ahead and try again. Turn on the ignition, turn off. Turn on the ignition switch with the original key. Turn off the ignition switch within a certain amount of seconds. Turn on the ignition switch with the new key within 20 seconds. So here's the new key. There we go. We're going to put it on the on position. You'll see this give you next directions. Turn off the ignition switch within 14 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch. Turn off. Turn on. Did the immobilizer light come off? So if we could see there, no immobilizer light. So it did. We're going to hit yes. Turn off the ignition switch. Turn on. There we go. Key registration. There we go. Fully programmed. Then we check the remote. There we go. Now for the second key, we just follow the same instructions again.